All right, in this video, let's talk about why I've noticed so many people in this space are still overwhelmed. Maybe perhaps 10 different podcasts, 10 different online business ideas. Uh, they don't know where to start. They're just super overwhelmed. They don't know why they're not taking action. And I'm going to explain why. Okay. Because what happened is that when you're consuming too much content, what happened is that it's causes what's called a dopamine hit. Okay, so just because you're consuming content, it tricks your mind telling you that you completed something. But in reality, you didn't actually take action. Okay, so I'm gonna break this down to make it super clear, to make it in a way where you guys can truly understand. Okay, so imagine this. I noticed that in this space, people are stuck with like three different offers. Okay, three different traffic sources. Traffic sources is basically getting eyeballs towards your specific websites. Because if you don't have these eyeballs, which is like a tsunami amounts of people who are viewing your website, then you're not going to be getting those specific customers and sales, for example. Okay. I noticed that there's people using four different funnels, okay, in this space, and they're just like, oh, which one's the best one? Could I use this? Use that? So they're very overwhelmed, and maybe seven different skills, okay, in terms of development, right? So let's keep it very simple. This has worked when I used to be one of these people who I was just like consuming content and never take action. This was many years ago. This is how I fixed this and how I'm going to be giving this out towards you. Okay. So you notice that there's, maybe you're one of these people, three offers, right? Three traffic sources, four funnels, seven skills, or 10 different business ideas, and you don't know where to start. Okay. So this, for example, I want you guys to list this on a piece of paper, for example. Okay, so you guys can see that let's keep it simple. So three offers. Instead of three offers, one offer. Okay, one traffic source. Okay, okay, what's that one simple funnel? See how we're breaking it down? Okay, what's that one skill? Okay, so from here, now you tell yourself, okay, what's that one offer that I can promote? What's that one traffic source? Maybe it could be Facebook social media, right? Because I noticed so many people are using like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and and they're like off track. There's too much things happening at once. Maybe it's that Facebook social media. So stick with this. See what I'm saying? Just stick with that until you get results. Okay. What's that one simple funnel? Instead of four different funnels, what's that one simple funnel that you guys can use? And what's that one skill? Okay. So from here, it breaks it down even more simpler. It breaks it down more clear. Okay. So from there, we can also add in what's that one business that you want to get into, right? So guys, I wanted to go and inform that I tried so many different businesses out there, and I found one that finally made sense. You guys can go and check it out. It's a 7-part free training series. You guys can go and check it out below this video or around this video somewhere. Try so many different ones. So you guys can see we're breaking it down simpler instead of. Now you have an advantage because there's so many people out there are three different offers, three traffic sources, hopping on towards YouTube after YouTube from different gurus, conflicting messages, right? Conflicting information, from like AI tools, from like eBay, for example, from like YouTube and all that kind of aspects, right? So we keep it simple. A lot of people, I would say like 90% of people are right here, guys. Okay. And the 10% of people which is you're going to be here because I just shared this with you guys. 10%. Be in the 10%. Okay? What's that one offer? What's that one traffic source? What's that one simple funnel? What's that one skill? What's that one business? Okay? And on top of that, hope you guys got a lot of aha moments in this video. And I just wanted to give this out towards you because I used to be a person, used to be stuck over here. And I want to go and share this with you guys. If you guys are liking this, comment below this video. Check out my 7-part free training series. And on top of that, I'll see you guys in the next one.